NDC for voter for I am president 29 years. And your president keku. Omo mama mu MPC a. Utie. Omo sanya DN, womo sanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the voter region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop voter region. Now John Mahama is promising voter region people that, oh, this time when I come, I'll pay attention to voter region. Now men come free voter. Now imagine ye Juma. And come Okasa we ye na majima ikini bisa say, can you account for us? That Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta. Please, can you account for that money? Mese me come end this near. And come bisa Mahama say, Aden ye this sikama say, Fabe ye sea defense obo ye ho ban, na nsuo no yiria embechi amfa ye so, amfa ye njapade, amfa ye noba ye, amfa ye niama. But end this if we go voter region. Etna say. Ena papa na ye this man say. On fanya sea defense na to yen chemo ete san tomono. Okoto mo 10 bags. And konto local rice kura. Nanka local producers no. Enyes kadebi. Okoto long grain rice. Perfume rice. 10 bags. Oto esichire 10 bags. Nkatiye 10 bags. Ye atoko esam kakra. And ye sardine box 20. And ye omekane saying sheto. Omidigu jelly kemu. And ye digere. And also no bottom the bay 10 because you say mono gele ne fatamo gele soakings no e fatamo ntino ye de amo 10 bags pe gele no ye de bay 100 bags ne baye mo fa bi nkoka ayini. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now, man, who the before me call horse I done said, dear, near the my di you. And Mahama, welcome, Wezolo, Iwezo, you, Iwezolo, and Mahama, Wezolo, Mahama, Wezolo, Egba. Now, Mrs. Ah, and more back, who Egba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana? Akwa we ya bokro no ente se ama mo ende mo deja tese bu twa adwo okofa gele 10 bag 20 bags ne e mo 10 bags ba ya mo gina ho akohihya hwani afita be gina se Mahama Wezolo Iwezolo egba na me hwe mo sa na mo se no ano no sa voter ho ne de agi se nyame aba mutie voter region hono. Today I'm saying it on authority, man. And I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know Voltarians are my people. And this is a fact. But say what na ho kwesipi na obia ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban okodi e bibi matresi bu achim mo be ya millionaires ne e wo bra woda so hye atakwa me dan ni mu woda so hyafo akpa no egu na ase medoma wu na egu na ase. Now, the kai sabi gele 20 bags. Esitre 5 bags. And katia kakra. Ya bramu sabi esam kakra. Na nuntino mukofa amedafia no ni na ba say yemebu yemu wezolo a. Na chese munye ready for development. O kan na yadwa. My Voltarians who can na yadwa. Look at the place MPP leads. Look at how those places are open. This is reality check. Also, say, oh, okay. Say, I buy not to saw my idea and yes or no. Say, yes, so Sikano Yatiso 10 pesos. We don't even want to say, oh, better so 1 CD. There be 10 pesos, people. Teso 10 pesos, keke. Farmer passengers, no. They don't do it. Yet, say, I buy 2 petrol. Say, Jimmy Ford drivers, ya benya kwasi ampa for Ghana, flako, jino mechi. That is the part I don't understand about Ghana. A buying a tail driver and a petrol no so because or prefer driver no so ye den or ten the fare so. A buying tail so my driver and a car owner ye there. Car owner say unimfanable or no dear one ten the fare so and pa or da so Joe dear or Jonah. And instead of us as Ghanaians waking up and tackling these issues as they're supposed to be tackled, we rather sit NDC MPP. And what pisses me off when they say, Omo the NDC MPP did no cry, the only Omo can say Omo ye do. When was the last time you heard Sammy Jenfi making noise? Me say Ghana for we need to wake up. Me de be America. Yes, we have bad leaders. Yes, we need good leadership. But the fact is, the Ghanaian ordinary black man with the brain is dumb. I'm sorry. Over 85% of us don't use our brains. And that is why we struggle. Because the what Jimmy Juma. Now I buy biaju electricity bill. Mama papa. Now when to me uncle Tia. Ama what the doom some 4 years. Now say sa buy now ben never catch say now light see what would the year Juma no. Pamo the other light now mauno. Na mo nombra doom so now we are kwasiam penny ko this our party next year. It is not about leadership. It is about your stupid brain. Say before na Kufuado. O papa we brochire na nso ye pamu school fees. Na send ye pamu school fees bio. Now what catch me say there be even though say now no yam pamu school fees no, you rather want the one now or buy your bed pamu school fees now. You are not smart, you are a fool. I'm sorry. And this is what we do every day. All in the name of say NDC soba. Say me party ba. Intermediate minim pass me party na yebuka omo number. But on be benti enye let them come. I ask a simple question. For 1 month straight, 1 good month straight, and let me put this too, for 3 weeks straight, 3 consecutive weeks, the dollar and the CD have been at pegging. When I say pegging, I seen baby or dinyo kodu yeno on chin ye mubio. When was the last time I would say I told for cinema bejina ho ka either CD to dollar view? Do you hear them talking about CD to dollar? Do you hear them talk about CD to dollar? Now they are finding the next propaganda to come and feed you people that don't like to read. They are finding another propaganda to come and give you people that don't like to read but will take your stomach to sell your own soul. Ghana eba akupo. Ghana eba akupe. Na ebi ni baby ebi o. Into what the fact party sem kataweni. Na se no. Ochine bi enye MPP na ebe wo ho. But esan se wugu eduaba bone MPP apensu ntino. Enne NDC ba ye no, weduaba bone no ubetwa so aba. Onkwasia wo hini David ne nkwasiafo a mutu omugu social media say yenda da Ghana fo emma Ghana fo hu so omo na asia pansam no ubetwa sa aba no obi ni wa asabe waduan toast na wakotiti meko mimi hu bi da NDC for do mbetumi aye NDC for ade anyansan ni mu a ebi nsi da no na omo ye ye to kromu ha omo so omukura pink sheet ye ko do court ya ye nkura pink sheet ba akopo ye wo kromu ha free education 419 na ye dwen se omo menko ye bo pia omo maji dem ho ma eti ye ni mu om and na my heart bleed these days. Mama Lydia, my heart bleeds a lot when I see NPP doing the work for NDC. Something they didn't do for you. Something they never did for you. You are busy using yedidia jamena wenye bina ena yedia ya juma na ya why ye jumenti yanfa party ni sikeni na mankodiana. Yey. Won kwa na we ye campaign. Mo amudi na o se ne yedidia jam no. Mo kwa na mo ye campaign ana. na matina ho na sa nkwasiafo party we ya sebi ade papa bia mfiri mu ho mma motwa mo ho a na makoton mo ho amomo na mo twe abo so na nka ne papa mu a NDC tumi kasa about politics bi o de o mo de abeye Ghana fo yi. Now show me, I ask a typical question. Me say, whenever price of things go high, we go on the government. Some of us even take it to a I feel almost die politics. No, Ekufa do any say chimpanzee, Baumia is 10 boa, 10 kwasia. We turn it personal. Na aku company for na no musi yo yate so. Yate so dia, sa kwasia penny na was so